name's Edwin Dartois, originally from Louisiana, now residing in the greater Houston area. One of the best things about the education are the on-site visits. There's so many nuances and things you can learn that you just can't really get across the internet. It's really an experience and a great networking opportunity with your fellow traders.
My name is Roseanne Percival. I am a native New Yorker, grew up in Queens. I live in Manhattan since 1981, and I am an interior designer. Well, I've been trading for about 10 years, and I really find that the thing I like about Cyber Trading University is that you don't have to trade all day long. They trade from 9:30 to 10:30 in the morning, and then again from 2:30 to 4 in the afternoon, which are the target hours the market moves the most, and I like that because I'm still working myself, and it gives me the opportunity to trade and to do my own work.
Hey, my name is Abdul. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I work for the state of Illinois. I recommend on-site because the information that I have learned and the technique and the understanding that I get in trading is far more easier to comprehend and apply than with past learning objectives that I've pursued.
My name is Alex Puig. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I'm the CEO of a construction supply company. Well, on-site is really where it's at. I mean, to get around these kind of traders and really to associate with Fausto and Josh, it's really where you need to be. And also, I think on-site is really where you can really focus. You know, if you do these, like you're just watching a video at home, you could easily be distracted. And I think that the on-site gives you a chance to really just hone in and really, really soak up the information. And the over-the-shoulder support, I would say, is amazing. I mean, they walk around and just see what you're doing, how you're doing. You can ask questions right there. You just can't get that when you're watching a video, or you just can't interact with a video the same way.
It's much more hands-on. You get to meet other people. You get to really be in a room where other traders are actually physically trading with the markets. And it's kind of nice just to meet your colleagues and to get that education.
The information that I received was very understandable and very easy to apply, and the techniques and the applications I found to be very easily understandable.
My impression of Fausto was that he was a very good person, very good instructor, same with Josh. And just being with them on person, you become part of the family.
It was actually as though I'd known them from many, many years before. And they very easily made the students feel warm and feel accepted. And actually there's no one person who felt like they were being lost in the applications.
Well, meeting Fausto, it's just awesome to kind of get to see, actually watch him trade live in front of us, to kind of understand like his thought process. And Josh also, to just meet with them and kind of realize, hey, these guys are real people. They make their mistakes too, and you can kind of understand from them like what they've gone through. And you say, hey, I can go through that too, so.
He's been doing this decades and probably forgotten more than I'll ever know. It's a great opportunity to really learn and make money.
We had some guest speakers. We had Josh Leviton here, of course Fausto, and everyone's been wonderful. I think it's been a good learning experience.
I'm doing really, really well with it now. I've improved my trading over the last few years. It's just amazing the amount of progress I've made in my trading.
To say that if you haven't heard about Cyber Trading University, also known as CTU, I would highly, highly encourage you to look into it. I think they are the best. I think it's the best trading firm that I've come across, and I've seen a few of them out there.
I would highly suggest, if you want to get the most out of this seminar, is to be here on site. And I've come here for 3 years now, and every time I get better.